I hate you. I hate you, Vantoga, and I hate you all. But, I mean, Makuta, stop saying that you hate us. Well, it's true. I hate you all. You guys started this war. Not exactly. It was started a long time ago by our forefathers. A long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. No, I don't want to hear this crap. I'm just trying to be a little productive. God, can't you... Who the heck are you? Yes, who the heck are you? The name's Zero, and I'm here to kill you. Eat boomerang. My ring. Eat Tridax pod. Beep beep, beep beep. Not so fast. Activate launcher. Beep 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 beep. Oh crap. Beep 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 beep. Now hit boomerang, Sliver. Some of us can hit boomerangs, you know. Now tell me, who are you? It's been a fun fight, but I have to go. Thank you for challenging me. But I have to go now. So sorry. 5 minutes later. Oh god, I don't feel so good. I think I'm gonna puke. Oh god.